Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start chapter number 5, that is polynomials. What are the polynomials? Before going to the term polynomial, we discuss some other things. First of all, algebraic expression. What are the algebraic expressions? Algebraic expression is that the combination of variable and constant connected by any arithmetic operator. Variable, constant, combination of variable and constant connected by arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiply, divide. These are called arithmetic operators. And addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, these are called arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. So what are the variables and constant? Constant, any quantity which cannot change its value, that is called constant. And variable, any quantity which can change its value from question to question, problem to problem, that is called variable. Variable is a quantity which can vary, which can change its value. So that is called variable. And variable is represented by normally by alphabets X, Y, Z. Another term we use, that is literal. What are the literals? Literals are the quantities, terms which are represented. For example, if we have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, in this x and y are variables, whereas a, b, c are called literals. Alphabets, which represents constant or coefficient. Now here it is representing a constant, and here a and b are coefficients. So all those alphabets which represent constant and coefficient, those are called literals. Many things you have already studied about this, that what are the coefficient, what are the power, index, exponent, what are these things. Algebraic expression, I have already told you that the combination of variables and constant connected by any arithmetic operator. For example, 2x plus 3, only 5x, only 6, because 6 means that 6 can be written as 6x power 0. So variable is also there, constant is also there. And these are connected by the arithmetic operator. 2x plus 3, what does it mean? 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So there is a arithmetic operator here also and here also. So likewise, only if it is written x, even then when there is nothing, it means 1x. So all these are the examples of algebraic expressions. After algebraic expressions, we come to the main topic, that is polynomial. Polynomial is an expression, algebraic expression. Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which power of variable must be 0 or natural number, positive natural number or positive integer or positive integer. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 5, or if I write 2x plus 5. These are the examples of polynomial. But if I say that power of variable must be 0 or positive integer, means if I write only 3, it means that it is a polynomial because it can be written as 3x power 0. So it is also a polynomial. But if I write that 3 into square root of x, this is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Why it is not a, why? Because it means that x power is 1 by 2, and this 1 by 2 is not a positive integer. This 1 by 2 means that it is a rational number, and rational number means that this is not a polynomial. This is an algebraic expression. 3 into square root of x is an algebraic expression, but not a polynomial. Likewise, if I write x plus 1 over x, this is also not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? Because when we will take this x from denominator to numerator in a standard form, so power is minus 1. When power is minus 1, it means that positive integer is not there. It is negative integer. So that's why this is an example of not polynomial. This is also an example of not polynomial, and these three are the examples of polynomials. These are the examples of polynomials. So likewise, simple polynomial in one variable, or polynomial in two variables. If there is one variable is involved, so we say that polynomial in one variable. If there are two variables, so we say that polynomial in two variables. So likewise, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Linear polynomial means that if the power of variable is 1, power of variable must be 1, and quadratic polynomial, power of variable must be 2. That is called that linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and likewise biquadratic polynomials. Now come to the question. In that question, exercise 5.1. In 5.1, write the constants given in the expression. So we have to write only constants, whatever the constants are used here. So we have to write all those constants here. In the first part, 3x plus 4 3 and 4 both are constants. Next, 2x cube minus 1. 2x cube minus 1. 2 and minus 1 both are constants. So in this is the way to describe the things. So the question number 2, write the variables taken in the equations. We write only the variables which are used here. For example, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, y plus x is equal to 3, 7y square minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So what are the variables? In this, x is a variable, in this, x is a variable, in this, x and y both are variables, in this only y is a variable. So we have just tell that what are the variables here. Objective time exercise. No solution is required. He is saying in the next question, write the literals used in the equation. Yes. In question number 3, part 1, ax square plus bx plus c minus y is equal to 0. Literals are a, b and c. A, b and c. Whereas x and y are variables. In the second part, cx square plus dx is equal to 0. So literals are c and d. X is a variable here. Likewise, in the third part, b and d are the literals. In the fourth part, a and d are the literals. So this is the way. In the fourth question, he is saying separate the polynomial expressions and expressions that are not polynomials. So we have to separate polynomials and not polynomials. So here I write all these: x square plus x minus 1, second one, x square y plus x y square plus 7, third part, x minus y, x power minus 2 plus y plus 7, fourth, x over y square plus 1 minus y square over x, fifth part, x cube minus x square plus y minus 1, sixth part, x power 4 x square plus 5x plus 1 by 2. So he is asking that which are polynomials and which are not polynomials. So in this, power of variable is 2 and power of variable is 1. So in this case, it is polynomial. Power of variable is 2, power of variable is 1, power of variable is 1, power of variable is 2. So it is also polynomial. X power minus 2. When the power is minus 2, it means that it is not a polynomial. X over y square, it means y power is minus 2. When y power is minus 2, and here x is also power minus 1. So it is also not a polynomial. X power 3, x power 2, y power 1, all power are positive. So in this case, we say that polynomial. X power 4, x power 2, x power 1. So power of x is all positive integers. So polynomial. So these are the things. 5. What constants are used in the following expressions? So that is also very easy. And this question number 5, part 1. 7x minus 6y plus 3z. So 7, 6 and 3. These are the constants. So constants are easy. Write the degree of the polynomial in the question number 6. X plus 1. Second part, x square plus x cube minus xy plus 1, x square y square plus x cube plus y square minus 1. So the highest power, we say that the degree, highest power is 1, variable power. So degree is 1. Here power is 2 and here power is 1. So highest value is power is 2. So degree is 2. Here power is 3 and power is 1 and 1 plus 1 2. So power is 3. So degree is 3. In this 2 plus 2 4, x power 3 y power 2. So 4 is the degree. The highest power in a term of a polynomial, that is called a degree. So in this in the seventh part, seventh question, that is also the easy one. In the first, he is saying 3x plus 1, it is linear. If power is 1, maximum power is 1, so that is linear. If maximum power is 2, that is quadratic. If maximum power is 3, that is cubic. And if maximum power is 4, that is biquadratic. So in this is linear polynomial. Second expression, x square minus 2, this one is linear, this one is quadratic. And in the fifth part, x cube plus x square minus 2, highest power is 3, so it is cubic. In the sixth part, x power 4 plus x cube plus x square, highest power is 4, so it is biquadratic. So these are the things through which we can find and we can solve. These are the easy things which you know, which you have already studied. There is no difficulty, I think, but try to solve, try to check this one. Thank you very much.